says chicken nugget. Now, let's see those noodles. This is the texture that I love the most. If you guys are sticking with us today, we're going for a hike. Can never go wrong with rice cakes. Let's go for tuna, seafood. And I'm also gonna take this. I'm gonna eat this now. Japanese roasted chicken egg. Not dry. You know you're inside a 7-Eleven when you hear like all those noises. Ding ding, ding ding. That's the essentials I need. My drone shots, bandana, food. Just to give you guys an idea how windy it is right now, and also heavy raining. But with the weather, it says that at 1 p.m. we should be fine, and so far it doesn't look so fine to me. So I got myself this for 40 Taiwan dollars. So ready to the next station. There's no more wind right now. It's getting brighter. So just finished peeing, but guys, I just saw that too. It's really cool. Muslim-friendly toilet. Guys, there's a couple of spots that while you wait for the bus, you might wait for like a 20-30 minutes, but you got two options. Either you wait or you just walk it. Station is just over there, and we're getting there. This is where we are right now, and we're heading here. So this is gonna be our last stop for sure. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, take a shower. What did you guys thought so far? Did you guys like the view? Would you guys love to visit here one day? Seriously, it's a surprise for me because it's a first. See, it's beautiful, man. So look, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video if you guys love what you guys just saw. And you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel. Let's have more numbers up. Don't forget to subscribe to Ando's channel. And I'll see you guys soon.